How to see your Uber ride trip history and receipts. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see your Uber ride trip history and receipts. For this, you want to open the Uber app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Once you have opened the application, you have to log into your account. For that, enter your credentials. Now, once you have been logged in, you can check out your Uber ride trip history very easily. All you want to do is tap on the activity option at the bottom of your screen, or you can tap on the account option at the bottom right corner. Then from here, you will also have the option of activity. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select the past option from here. You can tap on this filter icon and then you can filter your Uber ride trip history from here as well. Now all of your trip history will be displayed here. Simply tap on any one that you want more details about. Now you're going to find all the trip details over there. You will also have the receipts button. Tap on that and you will be able to find the receipt of your Uber ride. You'll be able to find your payment method over there as well. You can tap on the download PDF option to have the receipt downloaded on your device as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.